So I said daily, but I think I might not have meant it. I think I'm just going to make weird noises on my way to work and call that content. But I can cut. I don't know how. Oh, and this is going to get me copyright struck. I can't do this. Fuck me. Great. No. All right. Cool. Oh, that's a high one. Fuck. I know this is some Ivan Doran derivative shit. But you know what? You know what? Oh. Yo, I can just chop this. Like, what the fuck? I can do all sorts of shit with whatever the fuck footage. I just want music. You know. Yeah, I think when I get a little closer, I'll cut this motherfucker. Oh. Chomp! That's what it says on the license plate thing in front of me. Chomp! That's how it's pronounced. You cannot tell me that that's not how that's pronounced. Oh. I'm not sure I should have passed that motherfucker, but like the motherfucker in front of me passed the motherfucker, and I don't know what the motherfucker's doing, so... Okay, I think it's music time.